Rightio, Gordy and I are back in the high country. In this video, we're going to be hitting up the Caledonia river track. We've been wanting to do this track for ages, so we thought we'd better do it before the gates close in a couple of weeks. We drove here late last night, faced a few obstacles on Mount Sunday track, but nothing we couldn't handle. And then we just ended up camping on the side of Grimey's track. So we're up early, ready to get into it. First spot we're hitting up is the high cone. Let's go. Just gonna park there, are you? Yeah. Yeah, why not? Dude, I don't know what happened then. Right, so we just walked the high cone track and it is absolutely ridiculous. There's no way we're getting our cars up here. It's wet, there's massive rock steps. There's just no way, so chucked the hiking gear on and we're just walking it. What do you think? Not keen on driving that, Gordy?
Nah, no, not a chance. Way too steep, way too slippery, way too much of a washout. Yeah. Way too many rocks.
Yeah, well, hopefully the Caledonia track's not too bad. It's a pretty cool hike though, awesome views. Yeah. This is the top of the high cone. Pretty cool, awesome view. We're definitely up in the clouds now. There's been a bit of rain, so all the tracks are a bit slippery. How good was that high cone hike?
Absolutely amazing! Can't wait to go again!
This is going to be one of the last trips me and Gordo do for a while, unfortunately. But we will be back at some point.
Just gonna check something, and I'll think of course, you come to me.
Alright, so you got a puncher, but you just got to keep battling it. Alright, so we're on probably one of the easiest tracks of the trip and Gordy's just got a puncher. So you're just gonna go till it goes flat, and yeah, we're gonna have to see how we go. I do have a puncher kit on me.
Yeah, right. Any good? You used it before?
No, I've never needed to, but it's the first time for everything. Let's do it.
Yeah, just pull over somewhere flat, I guess.
Good old puncher kit. You got a full-size spare?
Yeah.
Deja vu. It's the same tyre too. Same tyre as the Grampians, if you remember that. She's a pretty big puncher, so we're chucking 2 in. Hopefully it's not a showstopper.
Yeah, no, she'll be right.
Alright, hopefully that holds. Couple of creek crossings. Alright, so we've made it to the start of Butch Country Track. Oh, we just stopped on Butcher Country track. There's not a convoy out here. We're just gonna let them get a little bit ahead so we don't keep catching them. How's the drive so far, Gordon?
Oh, it's been good, mate.
Yeah.
A few little hiccups, but...
Yeah, few little issues. We're getting there.
Oh, you're fucking empty. First hit, like first down, like going first gear, is like sick.
Alright, so we've made it to the Caledonia river track. It's there. Nice rock formations up there. Yeah, might get a few drone shots and then, yeah, we're gonna hit it. Oh, this track is actually pretty sick. It is absolutely beautiful country out here. I think Gordy's enjoying himself. What do you reckon of this track?
Yeah, I like it. I like how you're copying.
It's cool, eh? Alright, we're still on the Caledonia track, but we've come to a massive incline. It's steep as, a few switchbacks too. We're probably going to start looking for camp now. Righto, so we got ourselves a camp spot for tonight, up on a mountain. What do you reckon of the view, Gordy?
Mate, look at it. Thank you.
What more could you want?
Cold beer.
Cold beer. So it is snowing. Thank God I actually packed my snow jacket.
Snow angels and everything.
Should have bought the snowboards.
Yeah, sick.
Alright, stop snowing. Sun's come out of nowhere. Now we're just going to enjoy this sick camp spot. Time for a bit of golf, is it, Gordy?
Sure is, mate.
Let's do it.
Whoa.
Ooh. Ah, you know, on the green. So we finished the Caledonia track, and then about 20 minutes after these drone shots were taken, Gordy's car broke down. So I towed him for about an hour and a half until we were forced to put it on the back of a truck. We're still waiting to find out what happened and what the damage is. Thought we'd end our last trip with a bang. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you soon.